What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to answer a viewer question coming up. What is up, guys? So Jimmy Olsen basically asked me, hey Ryan, I'm looking to buy a used BMW. It has about 120,000 miles on it, and I just want to know what your ideas are. What do you think? Is it worth it? Should I get it? They want $4,500 for it, and I just want to know your thoughts. So Jimmy Olsen, here you go. Don't do it. Stay away from BMW. Stay away from them. They are, even though they are luxury cars or European cars and people love them, just stay away from them, man. Everything is plastic. After a certain amount of mileage, usually when it hits about 70K and more, that is when you run into a lot of problems with BMWs, even though they've been maintained. Now, you have to realize everything is super plastic and super fragile. So when the engine keeps heating up and it's going through all its heat cycles and everything and going through its wear and tear, everything gets super brittle, and then all of a sudden one problem is gonna happen, and then another problem is gonna happen, and another problem is gonna happen. And as you start fixing one problem, you're going to accidentally break something else because everything is plastic. I don't know why they make these cars out of plastic. I will never know why, because, well, I do know why. It's cheaper and easier, and then they sell you a badge. That's all they sell you. They just sell you a name. Don't be one of those people to get caught up in the BMW craze or the Audi craze or the European craze. Now, don't get me wrong. Yes, I do think they're good cars, but I will never own one. And this is just my opinion because, honestly, they, like I said, it's just a money pit, and that's all you're going to be spending. Now, if you do want something used, a little more exciting, you can go with something. You can go with something Honda-wise. You can go with something Toyota-wise. I know some of them aren't exciting. What else? You can go with Acura or Lexus. Lexuses are good cars, like, because they're Toyota. Acura is good cars. They're Hondas, and they look really, really nice. But yeah, stay away from BMW. Now, if you found one like 20,000 miles or something, then I'll say go ahead. But, like, man, maintenance is super expensive. Even Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz, surprisingly, is super, like, forward with their repairs. Like, it's super easy to fix a Benz, but everything is super expensive. So, I would recommend staying away from it. I don't think it is a wise idea. But that's just my 2 cents. You can do whatever the heck you want to do. Peace. Oh, before I end this, guys, leave a comment in the comment section below. Let Jimmy Olsen know what y'all think, because once he asks me, he's asking all y'all as well. So, guys, unleash the comments. Peace.